This is Dan King of Boatshed, welcoming you aboard this tidy Jaguar 25. Going down the companionway, straight ahead of us, we see the dining table, which doubles as a chart table, and in typical fashion on small boats, makes up a double berth. The galley features an Origo spirit burner, and adjacent is an icebox. A hand pump with a stainless steel sink. Turning again to starboard, the control panel, which must have been put in by the previous owner, is extremely tidy and professionally done. No bird's nest here. Going forward, there is an array of navigation instruments, including a Garmin 152. In the heads is a porta potty and some ancillary storage. And to starboard is what appears to be a leisure battery. The fore cabin is a very typical triangular shape with an insert. And underneath the cushions is a very large storage space, currently full of about half a dozen sails. There's a forward hatch with an adjustable air vent. A very tidy boat all round.